friends. My name is Daejah McCormick and I'm the sous chef here at Methodist Theological School in Ohio. We are home to Seminary Hill Farm, and today I will be showing you how to make a recipe based on the items in your CSA share. Today we are focusing on a beet and potato salad. This salad definitely entails a little more. We're gonna have to do some cooking this time around. So your beets are gonna need to be boiled and diced. It's not actually necessary. You can eat beets raw, but they're a lot easier to work with when they're cooked. With our potatoes, you are also gonna have to boil and dice them. Our celery here and our onions are small dice. You can do whatever size you want, but small dice eats better. And then we have some parsley and all our other fixings. And in the end, it's all gonna end up in a bowl, mixed together just like the last two we've done, yeah. And that will be our beet and potato salad. Beets are said to help with exercise performance. They're also good for blood circulation. Same here with our celery. Celery is also high in antioxidants. You might have seen the whole celery juice craze. Parsley is good for bone health and also blood circulation. I mentioned onions in our last video, so we won't worry about those. Potatoes are rumored to be good for blood sugar control, which is interesting because you're actually advised to stay away from starchy vegetables, so maybe that's just for people who don't have diabetes. And there are really no health benefits to the rest of the ingredients. They just taste good. And now we mix. So we're gonna start with the bulk, our potatoes. Because our beets bleed, we will add them like right when you're about to serve it. I'm gonna do it now. I will serve it tomorrow and they'll be fine, but just for presentation's sake, if you care about it, add them last. But I'm gonna add them now. Move that out of the way. Our celery. Some onions. Parsley. Gonna mix this. And then once you get this all mixed, we're gonna throw everything else in, mix again, and serve. All right, we'll start with oil. Vinegar. You will need a spatula. You can use your hands too, but that's a little messy. Today I am using a vegan mayo because we have quite a few vegans on our farm team this year, and that's who I'll be serving this to. That is sweet pickle relish, Dijon mustard, garlic, and our salt and pepper. Now we'll do our final mix. We'll taste it, adjust if needed, and serve. And I like this potato salad because it doesn't require as much mayonnaise, so it's a lot lighter. And this will be our final product. Yep. That's a good one. And as always, from everyone here at MTSO and Seminary Hill Farm, enjoy.